If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, I'm about to share with you one of the highest paying work from home jobs that I've seen in a while. Now listen, all right, after I reveal this to you, what you need to do is go straight over and see if this opportunity is still available. And if it isn't, make a note to yourself to go back and check every few months to see if this company is hiring again. All right. So the company that I'm talking about is GoFundMe. All right. Maybe you heard of GoFundMe. Is, a lot of times people use GoFundMe to help raise money for different causes, whether it be medical bills or events or whatever. GoFundMe has been around for many years and is super well known. All right. They are currently looking for a customer care specialist. Now, this is basically somebody who will answer questions and help people deal with concerns related to their GoFundMe campaigns. All right. The cool thing is, when I looked at this, I believe you don't have to be on the phone. You will be communicating with GoFundMe customers via email and live chat. All right. So if you're somebody who is looking for like a non-phone job, this might be it. Now, let's get to the pay. All right. This position pays anywhere from $50,000 to $60,000 damn dollars a year, and it has many benefits with this job opportunity. All right. So if you are somebody who is like want a full-time work from home job opportunity where you can make some pretty decent money, you might want to check out GoFundMe right now. And to find this position, all you need to do is go over to Google, open up another window, type in GoFundMe work from home customer care specialist, and you'll find this opportunity. See if it's available. If it is, apply to it. You know what I'm saying? You watching these videos to get a work from home job, apply to it. All right. That's all I got for you. I will see you in the next video.